Hello and welcome to this financial abundance meditation. Each of us naturally wants to grow financially, becoming more and more abundant. We humans love to strive to be successful because personal success leads to happiness. To become abundant, all you need to do is to accept abundance and allow it to come to you. So let's cultivate this feeling of abundance through affirmations today, and let's see ourselves as having already achieved abundance. Just see yourself celebrating your success. So you're able to accept the positive affirmations on finances and wealth that I'm about to tell you. By fully relaxing and letting go of any tension, we put ourselves in a state of creation where we can attract anything that we desire. This is a state where brilliant ideas and greatest achievements arise. The more relaxed you allow yourself to become, the stronger your dreams turn into reality. And when your dreams approach, all you have to do is to accept them. I'm going to count from 5 to 1. And with each number that I say, breathe in and out slowly. And with each full breath, you become more and more relaxed. Beautiful. 5. Take a nice full breath in. And as you exhale, feel yourself getting just a little bit more comfortable. 4. Full breath in. And as you exhale, you feel your muscles relax and all the tension loosen up. 3. Inhale smoothly and slowly and exhale and feel yourself relaxing even more, getting calmer even more. 2. Full breath in and exhale slowly. Now, your whole body is feeling peaceful. You don't need to do anything. Just feel all the sensations in your body and observe. 1. Last strong breath in, holding it for a moment. And as you exhale, you feel completely relaxed and clear in the mind and in the body. Beautiful. Now, you yourself saying these positive affirmations, accepting any of them that feel good to you. Abundance flows to me. I deserve to be financially independent. I love creating wealth and success for myself. My destiny is to be wealthy. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. I am worthy of making more money. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth in my life. Money and spirituality can coexist in harmony. I release all negative energy and conceptions about money. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I use my financial abundance to better my life and the lives of others around me. Wealth consistently flows into my life. My actions create constant prosperity. I'm able to handle large sums of money. I am at peace with having a lot of money. My life is full of financial abundance. Money flows effortlessly into my life. I'm open and willing to allow financial abundance to come into my life right now. Financial abundance is here and I tune myself into it. Financial abundance is my birthright. I love money and money loves me. I am grateful for all the money that I have now. I am a money magnet. And now, let's slowly come back into wakeful awareness and bring back with you all that you learned a moment ago. I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and with each number that I say, you will become more awake, refreshed, and ready to start a new life with a new mindset of being already financially abundant. 1. You are slowly becoming aware of your present surroundings. 2. Your mind is becoming more alert. 3. You are bringing with you all the positive suggestions you learned. 4. You feel even more awake and alert. 5. As you open your eyes, you feel extremely refreshed and ready to take action and let abundance flow to you. Beautiful. With a smile on your face and a confident feeling, you are now ready to take up the rest of your day. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.